What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. I wanted to give you guys a few suggestions for holiday gifts for the bearded gentleman in your life. But before I do that, I'm not really feeling very festive right now. I'll be back in 1 second. All right, I'm starting to feel a little bit more festive. Just not sure if I'm there yet. Be back away in 1 second. Give me another second. All right, guys, I think I'm ready. I think I'm feeling quite festive. All right, let's jump right into our holiday gift guide for the bearded gentleman in your life. I know you're probably thinking to yourself, how long is it going to take this guy to wash all that out of his beard? I will let you know. I'm a little concerned, but this is something my wife has been wanting to do to me since I've had a beard. I finally said yes because a happy wife is a happy life, gentlemen. I'm sure you guys all know that, but without further ado, let's jump in. Few ideas I was thinking about over the last couple days. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers out there starting to put together some of these different holiday gift guides, and I wanted to do mine a little bit different. You know, if you want to see some of my top oils and beard balms, I've made those videos before, but these are things that when I think of holiday gift guides and, you know, giving gifts, this is stuff I would want. And these are things that I wouldn't necessarily buy myself, but if someone gave them to me, I'd be super excited and super happy. And so first thing I want to talk about was upgrading the tools that your bearded man uses. So upgrading things as simple as his brush or his comb. Right here I've got a Kent comb. This goes for $12 on Amazon. Now I'm going to link everything I talk about in this video below in the description, so you'll have direct links to everything. But this is probably, I use this every day. You know, if there's one thing or a piece of advice to give to the beardsman, get a really nice comb. And a Kent comb is absolutely the best you can get. All individually handmade, individually sawtooth cut in there. These are great combs. Another thing to do, upgrade their beard brush. Now my favorite beard brush, I've got two of them I'm going to link here. This one is from Boss Man. This goes for $13. But this is a combination of a boar's hair brush and a nylon bristle brush. So you're getting the best of both worlds. This feels awesome running through the beard. Now another boar's hair brush I recommend, this is from Germany. It's from Silberhaar. And this is a nice little, this is probably about 7 inches overall, but just a nice firm boar bristle brush. This has awesome reviews on Amazon. I've absolutely loved this boar bristle brush. Again, I'll link everything below. Now another thing your beardsmen may not be thinking about are the scissors they use to trim their beard. Now you don't want to use cheap doll scissors. Get yourself a nice pair of hair cutting shears. These are only like $8 on Amazon. It comes with a nice little finger guard here. Very easy to come in and trim your beard up. Keep it looking good. Now another thing, if you're thinking about maybe a brand new beardsman, maybe somebody that hasn't been in the beard game for a while and is just starting to dabble a little bit here and there with products, get them a beard kit. Great way to get all the necessities all at once. Now I've got 3 examples of beard kits. First one I'll recommend is from Live Bearded. This is in their Legend scent. It's a sandalwood vanilla. Very pleasant scent. But this kit comes with, you get their beard wash. You get a 1 ounce beard oil in the Legend scent. This is one of my favorite scents. You also get a 4 ounce container of their beard butter. Now the beard butter goes on after your oil. It's going to help keep everything in place and really nourish that beard. I've got a feeling I'm going to need to use a lot of this tonight after I wash this mess out. So the Live Bearded kit here, that goes for $50. Again, I'm going to link that below. Another great kit if you're just getting started is by a company called Scotch Porter. And this Scotch Porter kit This actually includes a beard wash. You get a beard conditioner. This is probably one of the best beard conditioners you can get. Also comes with a beard balm. Now, let's go back. Beard wash, 8 ounces. The beard conditioner is 8 ounces. You get 3 ounces of beard balm, as well as a 1 ounce beard serum. Now, this scent on all 4 of these products, it's a very nice, just clean, masculine scent. Now, these traditionally go for $70 on scotchporter.com. They're actually having a sale right now, 50% off their collections through the 20th, I believe. So you've got a few more days to take advantage of that. I'll link that below. You got to use my link below to take advantage of that. But yeah, that's a great beard kit to get you started. You got the whole washing components and then the beard balm with the beard oil, which are both going to condition. Now that actually, I said it was $70. It's on sale now, 50% off. So it's only $35 right now. That's an amazing deal. Now the third beard kit I'd recommend is by 7 Potions out of the UK. Now this beard kit actually comes with a 1 ounce beard oil. You also get a 3.4 ounce container of their beard wash and a really, really nice beard brush. This is made out of pear wood and boar bristle. This is actually one of my favorite new beard brushes. I've been using this one a lot. So that's really kind of my second idea for the newer beardsmen, is to get them a beard kit so they get it all at once. They can start using the wash, the conditioner, the oil, the balm, all of it all together. Now for you experienced beardsmen, I would recommend getting them something that, again, they're not going to spend on themselves. Go out and get them something expensive. Get them something like a Beard Brand Temple Smoke. Now, Beard Brand is one of those companies that, helped really start the beard product industry. They're a little bit higher priced. This 3.4 ounce utility balm goes for $37. Now, this Temple Smoke fragrance is probably one of my favorite fragrances, favorite scents. The scent on Temple Smoke, it's really inspired by the rich fragrance of the oud incense. It's got really deep, warm layers with earthy, smoky undertones. It's also got notes of frankincense and myrrh, which really creates a long-lasting blend. This is actually, I love this stuff. Yeah, this is just an amazing scent. So splurge, get them something they normally wouldn't purchase on their own. Typically, us beardsmen can be very frugal and we look for the best deal possible, and $37 isn't typically always the best deal possible. And so you also can get that Temple Smoke in their styling balm. That's going to be more for hold. And then the second scent here I'd recommend by Beard Brand is their Old Money. Now this has got notes of aged oak, black pepper, and amber together. This is another one of my favorite scents. Now this Old Money beard oil, the 1 ounce, goes for $40. Again, it's quite an exquisite scent. Something, just a very pleasant overall, one of my favorite scents as well. But again, it is $40, so I'm not buying this, probably ever. This is something that's being gifted to me. And so the third and last recommendation I have for you, well, I won't say last, I still have one more, is by the Bearded Bastard. And this is their Opium Den. This 1 ounce oil here goes for $35. So Opium Den actually has very dark richness of fine tobacco and smoldering resins. It's got cloves, vanilla, coffee. This is a very exquisite scent. And so I absolutely love this. I get compliments on this, the Old Money and the Temple Smoke. Whenever I wear that, somebody always mentions something. And so, again, that 1 ounce beard oil goes for $35 by the Bearded Bastard. Again, I'm going to link everything down below in the description. And then we also have the matching beard balm and Opium Den. Now, this stuff's $26. Again, it's got that great, rich, complex scent. Absolutely love these. Now, I mentioned I had one more thing to talk about, and that is this awesome beard glitter and these beard ornaments. I'll link these down below too if you want. Here's our beard ornaments. And then I'm going to handle this very carefully because it does not have a top on it. Extra fine glitter. So great for you bearded guys to have a little fun. I know I'll get probably some negative comments on the beard glitter, but guys, it's just having fun. Just, this is great for holiday parties. Bring a little bit extra attention to yourself. But, that's really it, guys. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the link here. Thank you to all my subscribers, guys. And as always, God bless you. Have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas.